Salam Alaikum, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you, welcome to my channel. Thank you for dropping by. I do Niqab tutorial, so if this is your kind of video, please don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you can get notified whenever I have new uploads. And to my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for coming back. Thank you all so much for your support and love, and yeah, I do not take everything for granted. So today's video is going to be another Niqab tutorial using one scarf. So this is a very easy one, like it requires just 2 pins, and yeah, it's very easy, and it's also easy for beginners and everybody can do it. And so yeah, before without further ado, let's get right into the video. So for this one, I'm having my scarf is so long, so I'm gonna take one side, like one short side, and the other is long. So I don't know, this placement is not that showing, so this is what it looks like with the sides. So the other one is not as long as the other one, so just like this. So then you take your you join them together with your pin or magnet, anyone. So yeah, so you take the other one, the long one, the longer one. So you just wrap it around your head like this, and you bring it to the front this way. So after bringing it to the front, you're going to bring this, and this is going to serve as your niqab, and you just tie it around your mouth and your nose. You tie it as tight as you want it to be. So we have it this way. So this second one, you can just adjust it so that you can cover your back a little, if not so that you can cover your back like this. Just adjust it to cover your back, and if you don't want it to cover your back, you can just leave it like that way. And yeah, and to make it hold, so just use your pin or anything just to hold it with your clothes, just to make it hold. So yeah, your niqab is done. This takes me like 2-3 minutes, I think. So you have it here like this. This one I tied it, but if you have it, I tied it at the back here. So if you have a pin, you can just use your pin to do it. Just, you know, if you don't want this to show. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is down, and this, you have this up, and you have this back. So that's the end of today's video. That's just it. Like it doesn't take time. It doesn't take any time on. That's just it. So well, let me know what you think in the comment section about this video. And yeah, I hope you all have a great week ahead. And I'll see you in my next video. Oh, before I go, please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you can get notified whenever I have new uploads. Yeah, that's it. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Salam Alaikum.